So for today's challenge, we went to buy the food that we thought was the spiciest in our city. Our family loves spicy food, so I know that they're up for this challenge. We're gonna be throwing in some challenges in between, and whoever loses those challenges has to eat the food.
It's spicy, but
I think it's spiciness.
And if we drink, we're automatically disqualified. Our winner will be taking $1,000.
my tongue hurts.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new to our channel, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you guys get notified every single time we upload a new video. So for today's challenge, it's gonna be beautiful me and Nestor. No, I'm just kidding. And then we have Ethan. Bravo, Ethan. And we have Nikki V.
Nikki V. I'm gonna win because I'm just gonna win.
Who loves spicy food right here? Raise your hand. Are you guys excited?
I don't know.
Why you say yes then?
Everything looks like pretty spicy.
We went to restaurants in our city and we got the spiciest food that we can think of. We're gonna start off with something not as spicy, but still burns. And then we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. We're actually gonna be eating the blazing ones. So if you guys have ever gone to Tacos Calafias, you guys know they're amazing, but the sauce, that won't let me sleep at night, let me tell you that. What do you think of the Tacos Calafias hot sauce?
The hottest thing ever. If you use 2 little drops, you're done.
What do you think about Tacos Calafias hot sauce?
Strong, like really spicy.
And then we went to Hot and Juicy, but we didn't just get the regular hot. We got the, I forgot what it's called.
Super hot.
Super hot. Then last but not least, you guys, if you guys missed our challenge with the whole family, you guys have to go watch it. This one's pretty dangerous, okay? So if you've ever had this, you
I
know
actually
it's
put
bad.
the whole pack in there.
I did. So the way we're gonna do it, we're gonna be throwing little challenges in between, and whoever loses is gonna be the one that has to taste it. So for example, Nicole and I are against each other. If I lose something, then I have to taste the food. The same goes for Nestor and Ethan. So it's on Nikki. And then at the end, whoever did the most, they'll be winning $1,000. Oh, and by the way, we can't have any of these drinks. They're just here for decoration.
You're evil.
Nestor's on a little break right now, but we're gonna start without him, and if le toca a él, we'll wait for him. Ethan, spin the wheel. We're gonna see who's the first 2 that are gonna have the ginger shot. I hope it's not me. I hate
Same.
ginger. Spin again.
Oh my god.
That was close to mine.
No! I said I was never gonna drink those. I'll spin since I was the one doing it.
Oh!
Me again.
2 times.
This is between Nestor and Ethan now.
Mom!
What is wrong with this?
Ethan!
I don't want to do it.
Then you lose the
Is it
whole
nasty?
challenge.
It sounds nasty.
Have you ever had one? Me either. Whenever I do get like a natural juice and it has like a little bit left on their machine, whenever I buy one, it's the nastiest thing ever, so I can't even imagine. Are you ready?
No. It's big too.
I cannot believe I'm doing this.
Come on, Ethan.
This ginger shot, guys, is actually from a place called Nectar, if I'm saying it right. Oh my Lord Jesus.
Smell it, Ethan.
I did. It smells.
Well,
I don't even know what it smells like.
I'm not gonna encourage you to do anything. You can lose.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up when I drink this.
1, 2, 3, go.
¿Por qué Nestor didn't get this one? Ready?
I can't do it.
It's not that bad.
What does it taste like?
Lemon.
Oh. I'm scared still. Should I just do it?
Yeah, check it off.
Yeah, you can do it. Just don't breathe. It's not as bad as we thought, huh? Even licks the plate now. You guys,
It's like,
it's not that bad because it kind of has like, it is spicy, like it burns, but it's not as horrible as I thought. No wonder Nestor buys them all the time.
there's like a bunch of lemons like squeezed in it.
That bitch. Alright guys, so we'll see between me and Nikki who's gonna be tasting these. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and we shall find out.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm not gonna lie, I always win this game, guys, so I can eat this. This is like, oh, these. Wait, I'm gonna get this one.
Alright, Nestor's here, and he's laughing at me because I had the ginger shot. 3.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh.
3 hours later.
Oh.
You do the challenge.
I do the challenge?
Yeah.
Alright.
Poor Ethan, he wanted a wing.
I know I did.
Doing the wings?
Yeah, me and you, because I lost.
That's gonna hurt.
You're gonna do this. So no ranch. This is just the core. There is 5 wings. The biggest one, you guys can split it in half.
Is there forks? Yo me voy a comer el más grande.
I'll do the small one.
Because you're a chicken.
It's still gonna hurt though.
Okay. My mouth is watery.
I'm scared, bro.
It's gonna burn.
Ready?
She's been ready.
Not bad.
Spicy.
A little bit. It's getting hard now. You can't drink nothing, right?
Nope.
Yo sí
Not bad.
tenía hambre.
There's only one, right?
2.
We gotta eat 2?
Yeah.
Look at my eyes. They're already getting watery.
I actually said 3, but I'm giving you guys a break. So let's just eat 2.
Look at me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Not bad. I feel like I just creeped on the side.
Hola.
I feel like you're gonna put that in my eye.
No, your eyes look red.
Mm-hmm.
Like your face.
Are you okay?
It's spicy, but
I think the spiciness just creeps on the side of you.
I want $1,000, so.
Bro, I need to run.
To the restroom or where?
They're like burning inside. Ah.
Oh, you kneel down like that.
Ethan, are you sure you wanted that one?
No. Alright guys, for the next challenge, each of us gonna have to shoot 5 shots, and whoever makes the least amount of shots has to eat the taco with the spicy salsa on.
All right, Nestor can go first.
The more shots?
Yeah, the most.
We're shooting from the free throw line.
I've been practicing. I've been practicing. Two. Oh.
Go on, Nikki.
I'm not gonna make any.
Nicole's looking like the White Ranger. Oh! Damn!
Yo voy a ganar. Mom,
Kenny looks like a Pink Ranger.
Tyrannosaurus. ¿Cómo le decían? Tyrannosaurus. How many did you make, Nestor?
3.
Whoa!
Ooh! How many? 2?
I made 3.
I mean 2.
You made 2.
I know, I'm just letting him think.
Mis mocos.
Come on, Pink Ranger. Tiny morph.
Ranger.
Whoa!
Oh no, Kenny.
She's gonna have to eat the taco.
We're just gonna lose. Ay.
Tengo los ojos chuecos. Kind of hungry for
Good.
the taco, you know?
I'm gonna lose,
I want the taco!
That's how you're gonna make it.
No, no. She really wants.
Ese taco.
She wants that taco. Ethan's always practicing, so he's gonna win. Let me be like her.
Oh no.
Oh
Oh,
no.
let me take this off.
Ah, it's because of the jacket.
Oh.
It's because I was wearing this sweater.
I'm gonna hold it.
Oh, we'll see. Still gonna lose. Your hair's on the way. See?
I'll let you know.
He really thought I was gonna run for that.
No, Ethan.
And you know you want the taco. All of a sudden, you don't know how to shoot.
Wow.
You got one more.
Yeah. No!
Tie with Nicole.
No, it's you!
You too. You got 2.
Oh yeah, huh?
I think that we should just go to spin the wheel and decide who's gonna be the one, the tiebreaker. With
Okay.
me.
I agree because I would not make it.
I know.
Yo no puedo correr.
I'm the one that's gonna eat. I get to spin.
Come on, Judy.
Couple goals.
Oh, baby.
Ow, I really didn't want that one.
You're really gonna like dip it?
Alright guys, so usually,
Damn.
this is super spicy. We usually do it like this and then we put like a whole bunch of lemon because it's spicy. But
No lemon?
today
Nope,
we're gonna
nothing.
No.
do this.
Dang. I think that's a little bit.
That's still low.
Can we
I
bring
think that's a
lemons?
little bit. Okay, one bite.
Why you keep adding more stuff to mine?
That's
Go for it.
cool.
Okay.
What does he want?
Half a taco.
All of it.
Fuck, bro. Alright.
Fuck, look at mine. Show them my taco.
Spicy.
Show them your taco. Para de llorar, no quiere tanto.
Well, I don't like spicy food. You want?
I think I need more of mine.
Ooh, Nestor, beat that. 2 girls beating you.
I'm gonna get heartburn.
Go, Nestor. Go, Nestor.
¿Te rajas? Oh shit, you get it? I can't eat that fast.
I gotta say this was spicy.
Yes, must admit.
It's creeping up already.
Is it?
Pepper.
Pues su madre me quería bien chingona. Y tú le echó otra cucharada.
You know what? I'm gonna take him back. I'm gonna take a little sip of this.
Ooh.
Hell
Bah!
no.
I actually thought I was gonna do it.
Hell no.
We did it.
Too spicy.
Alright. Look. Oh, this could be.
Mamá, te falta ahí una
If you
tortilla.
guys live in Phoenix, go try it. And you guys will know we're paying right now. My tongue hurts. I'm done.
My chest is hurting.
Just that?
Can we take a little sip of water at least? Like a little bit?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Gladly.
You're being too nice.
Look at him in his eye.
Do it again.
Okay, you guys, so for this next challenge, we will be racing and the loser gets to eat this seafood boil from Hot and Juicy.
3, 2, 1. Hey, mom runs fast. I'm surprised the guy didn't run fast.
Not a runner, but I'm not about to go through that again.
Ready?
At the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Damn! You guys were pretty tight. 1, 2, 3. Nestor won. We actually have gloves for you guys.
My poor nails.
I don't think they're gonna be that spicy.
Okay, so those are not the regular hot. They're extra hot.
Alright guys, an hour later we are finally done peeling and it smells so freaking strong. Like,
That is what it looks like.
a little more hot. Okay,
Those
3,
sides are
2, 1.
Let me know how it feels. What does it feel like? What does it taste like? What does it taste like, Ethan?
Like normal.
Yeah? Yeah, my mouth's watery, but I know that's not. Spicy.
Spicy? No?
No,
At all.
not at all.
You guys got lucky then.
No, like you could taste it, but
You know what I think it is? It
What?
creeps up after a while.
yeah, like, we keep doing it, like eating some.
Really? So that's
That's
why we
why
have to
it's
eat 4. So you guys can see we're like hella dipping it.
And I think that the shrimp has to be like really hot. Because whenever we go to Hot and Juicy and we get a hot, it's pretty hot.
It's actually pretty bomb.
You can take it off already, Ethan.
I don't know, 'cause I don't get my fingers dirty.
Oh,
Yeah.
he needs a glove. Se me antojó. Aquí se le antojó. Comment down below.
I'm gonna eat the glove.
Me.
I'm taking this off.
You're gonna regret it.
I have to wash my hands. My last one.
Done.
Done?
Done.
Well, maybe
It is
you
kinda
guys should
spicy
finish
now.
all of them.
It's kind of spicy now.
No.
Yes, that's the challenge now.
Is it getting spicy now?
Too full, though, like.
Alright guys, so the time is here. Nobody wants to do this, but Let me show you guys what we got. This is the last thing right here, look. Woo! I feel sorry whoever's gonna do this. All right, guys, so the challenge is you gotta flip the bottle and it has to land standing up. Whoever loses gets to eat the noodles.
So you guys gotta stand them the most and out of 5 times. Go.
You did it on purpose.
No.
He's trying to get rid of it. Oh! Oh!
Practices. Oh,
One.
Cool.
How much chances do you have still?
I don't know. But he already lost. I think he lost already.
3, 2, 1.
You guys are both eating the noodle. Oh no.
I need 2 more.
Can you put it on the plate too? Alright, restart this.
Approximately 10
Candace.
hours
Come
later.
on. See.
Okay, 5 again.
Can you flip it like you're flipping it, but you flip it and then kind of like
¿Por qué no
towards
me
you?
dices a mí?
Because I'm not on your side.
Oh shit.
Ahí
I
está.
won.
I'm on. No,
Kenny
I
won.
started.
Nikki against Nestor.
Ay, qué feo.
We've all done 2 and we've all been successful. So now,
The last ones are the losers.
the last 2 are one of you guys is the winners for $1,000 right now.
Ooh.
So you can win $1,000.
No, so me and Ethan just got disqualified.
No, ándale.
I quit. I don't want to do it.
Okay, Mom,
I
then you have
quit.
to come with me.
Because I know
I'm not
my
gonna
limits.
eat it alone.
Then we all lost.
Okay, no.
So
Eat it.
whoever eats half of that sopa right now wins $1,000.
Okay, so what's half? I
Yeah.
know what half is, but you know.
I know Maridana Fajitas. I'm done.
I don't know if I'm dumb or I want $1,000.
Ooh. I feel sorry for you, Nicole.
I can already feel how
I know.
how it feels.
What are you guys' thoughts right now?
I would not want to win right now.
Ethan?
I can't even do that. Like the whole bowl.
Damn, Nicole. You really want that money?
She for sure took the whole thing for the team. You already won. You didn't even have to do that. I'm just kidding.
We're just playing. That's not even $1,000. That's $500.
I'm just kidding.
That's like,
Nicole won! Woo!
Give me some water. I won! Alright, pick them up.
Alright guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. Make sure you guys comment your favorite part of today's video and also drop your cash outs down below because we're gonna be doing a $100 giveaway.
With that being said, guys, don't forget that we love you guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I will see you guys in our next video. Your girlfriends are not watching right now.